Nick, come back here.
Okay, guys, we're back here. Another video. Let me fix it. Okay. So yeah, we're here. I just want to play this. Well, tell everybody. If you everybody that subscribes to me, I'm gonna start doing it to everybody that subscribes to me. I'm gonna subscribe to you. I promise you. So everybody, please subscribe. And this is just an update video. So yeah, Christmas is coming up. I'll show you the Christmas tree with lots of and our decoration thing. We get into Christmas. Let me turn these on. As you can see, not sure what they're having up at the high school, but yeah. Let's turn on lights on the Christmas tree. Fruity. So yeah, let's turn on this little Christmas tree. So yeah, let's turn this one on. Well then, yes. Oh, I see what we gotta do now. There she boy, and then we got outside lights. Look at this kind of stuff. I don't know what's wrong with him, but if it's the other cat, I'm probably gonna. Oh, see what I mean? If it's that other cat, I'm gonna kill it. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. But look at you, little baby, watching her trap bang. Howdy, bruh. Oh, what she got there? What you got? Ow! Oh, yeah, that hurt. Like, oh, dude, yeah, that hurt. Yeah, that hurt. Oh, yeah, there goes the into eat. I didn't get better. Okay, so yeah. That hurt pretty bad. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree. Oh yeah, everybody, go follow me on Instagram. That will be right there. Snapchat, it will be right there. So yeah, let's try to hit 200 subscribers in 2 months. If we do that, I'll do a giveaway and try to start uploading daily. And everybody share these videos. Go watch the Just Jump video if we hit 100 views. And that one I'll be really pumped about that. But yeah, I don't get how I got like 160 subscribers and then I get only 30 views a video. But yeah, I just wish I don't know how that works though. But yeah, everybody that subscribes to me, I'll subscribe back to you. And anybody that follows me on Instagram, I'll follow you back. And Snapchat, say Caden Morrison's fan, so I'll know that you're a fan. So yeah. And we will just play a clip right about now, of me shooting a Sprite can with my pellet gun. So yeah, it destroyed it too. So yeah.